Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindi newspaper Sudoku puzzle on February 28, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. 5th row, at 7th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 10th row also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Column G, 3rd row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then the 4 is confirmed here. Column F, on column G we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F and column G we have 9. 8th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. 10th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fifth row, on 6th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, and 4th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 2nd row and 4th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 is confirmed here. Column B and column C we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Third row and 4th row we have 8. Column H and column J we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 2nd row and column J we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 2nd grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 5, 6. 3rd row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. And column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row we have 9. Column H and column J we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 1 and 4. So 1 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the cells. Column H we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 7, 6. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 5 numbers are remaining. 10th row 3 numbers are remaining. 1 6 4. It will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2 4. 9th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 3. Column C we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. First grid 3 numbers are remaining, 4 6 7. Column C we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Second row we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B, column C we have 7. Sixth row also we have 7, so 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Second row 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column H we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Fourth row only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column B we have 5, column F we have 5, column I we have 5, so 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. First grid only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Column C 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column D 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. Column B and column F we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Column H 3 numbers are remaining, 3 5 6. Seventh row we have 3 and 5, so 3 and 5 can't come in the cell. It will come in one of the cells, then only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 8th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 8th row only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column J we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 7th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column I 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. 6th row we have 7, so 7 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Sixth row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 6th row we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 4th grade only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 6th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column B only 1 number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. 5th row we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Third row, only one numbers are remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. 7th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.